This video is for many people who suffer discoloration on their face due to hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, uneven skin texture, and sunspots. Today I want to talk about kojic acid in skincare. What is it, why to use it, when and how to use it, its benefits and risks. But before that, I want to ask you to subscribe to my Spa Runner channel if you haven't done so yet. Every week I post videos about skincare, beauty, health and wellness. Let's start with the history of kojic acid. Kojic acid was discovered in Japan by Phyto in 1907, who isolated that new compound from mycelium of the fungus on steamed rice. I have Blake here who is helping me. Look at him. He just comes and he wants to... Blake! You want to kiss? So here we go. He is my helper here today. And this name was given to that organic compound by Yabuta in 1913. So what is kojic acid? Kojic acid is made from several different types of fungi. It's also a byproduct when certain foods ferment, including Japanese sake, soy sauce, and rice wine. It has been used as a cosmetic skin lightening agent for decades and is an effective and less aggressive alternative to hydroquinone. Kojic acid is often used topically to treat a number of different cosmetic conditions such as discoloration, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, uneven skin texture, melasma, sunspots, etc. It's been approved for use in cosmetic products in concentrations of 1% or less. Benefits of kojic acids. Kojic acid's primary use and benefit is to lighten visible sun damage, age spots, or scars. This can result in an anti-aging effect on the skin. In addition to skin lightening effects, kojic acid also contains some antimicrobial properties. It may help fight off several common types of bacterial strains, even in small dilutions. This can help treat acne caused by bacteria in the skin. It may also lighten scars from acne that haven't faded yet. Kojic acid also has antifungal properties. It's even added to some antifungal products to increase their effectiveness. It may be useful in treating fungal infection of the skin like yeast infection, candidiasis, and ringworm or athlete's foot. If soap containing kojic acid is used regularly, it may help prevent both bacterial and fungal infections on the body. How does kojic acid work? Kojic acid inhibits and prevents the formation of tyrosine, which is an amino acid that's needed to produce melanin. Melanin is the pigment that affects hair, skin, and eye color. Because it inhibits the production of melanin, kojic acid can have a lightening effect. How and when to use kojic acid? Depending on your skin concern, kojic acid can be used in a variety of forms and concentrations along with actives. Do not apply to damaged or broken skin, and the best way to avoid irritation is to start low and slow, just once a week until your skin acclimates. This skin lightening ingredient is safe to use twice daily for most skin types though. Some side effects of using kojic acid is contact dermatitis, and it's the most common side effect. It can manifest itself as redness, irritation, itchiness, rashes, swollen skin, or pain and discomfort. Contact dermatitis is most common in those with sensitive skin or in individual using a product with a higher concentration than 1% of kojic acid. Discontinue use if you're reacting to a product with kojic acid in it. So just use kojic acid in concentration of 1 or below and you should not have any issues. Using kojic acid with other ingredients may increase the benefits of using the acid. So what other ingredients does it pair with well? Kojic acid works well with other skin depigmentating and anti-inflammatory ingredients such as tranexamic acid, glycolic acid, papaya enzyme, and niacinamide. Skin brightening serums may contain kojic acid along with antioxidants like vitamin C for a synergetic effect. What are the products that I recommend that contain kojic acid? Number 1 is SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense. Discoloration Defense is a layerable, daily use dark spot corrector formulated with 3% tranexamic acid, 1% kojic acid, and 5% niacinamide. This latest generation formula improves the appearance of skin discoloration, brightens skin, and even skin tone in a as early as 2 weeks. What are the benefits of using this product? It features a synergetic blend of anti-discoloration ingredients to reduce the appearance of a skin discoloration, improves brightness and minimizes the recurrence of discoloration, and you need to continue to use it. 60% is average improvement in the appearance of stubborn brown patches, 34% average reduction in post-blemish marks in deeper skin tones. It's paraben, fragrance, silicone, gluten, and hydroquinone-free. Remember, consistency is always over intensity. Another product that contains kojic acid is SkinCeuticals Phyto Plus, and it's designed to help improve skin discoloration without irritation. It's formulated in a soothing gel with botanical extracts such as cucumber, thyme, and it's combined with arbutin and kojic acid to improve the appearance of dark spots and promote an overall brighter, more even and radiant complexion. Phyto Plus is delivered in a hyaluronic acid base to hydrate and improve the overall appearance of skin. And what are the benefits of this product? It contains cucumber and thyme to calm and soothe the skin. Arbutin and kojic acid help fade the appearance of discoloration. It's formulated with hydrating hyaluronic acid base, ideal for all skin types. These products are available at any of the Woodhouse day spas, so stop by to purchase. So we spoke about what kojic acid, how and when to use it, its benefits, risk of using, and pairing with other actives. If you enjoyed this video, I recommend my video on hyperpigmentation to watch next.